Another example that I have for you of solving a system of equations is set up like this. And I'll show you how to do it with the substitution method again. The first thing I will do is, for me, I just like kind of protect the system. So I'm going to just kind of put brackets around it. And that just lets me know that those two equations go with each other as part of a system. I have two equations and two unknowns. Well, substitution says is you can take one equation, substitute it in another one. But right now, neither one of my equations is either solved for x or for y. So I'll need to do some work before I can start the process. So do you see an equation that might be better suited to solve for x or for y? Well, it looks like the second equation looks like it might be fairly easy to solve for x. All I have to do is add 2y to both sides. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to rewrite my system down. And on the next one, I see that if I do x minus 2y equals negative 3, add 2y to both sides, I get an equivalent expression. X equals 2y minus 3. And then I'm going to keep this system intact. This system is the same as this one. I just rewrote the second equation, solved for x. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the second value of x and substitute it into the first equation. So this becomes 5 times my new x minus 4y equals 9. And so the combination of those two statements produced one statement. And you see how the x's were eliminated? Now I have one equation with one variable, y. It's a one-by-one system. I can solve that. So my y value is 4. And the process to find out the x value is take this y value of 4 and substitute it into one of these equations. Since this equation system is equivalent to this equation system, I'm going to substitute this 4 into this line right here. So this becomes x equals 2 times 4 minus 3, or x equals 5. So my solution to this system is at the point 5 and 4. And again, it's a good idea to take those two solutions, or the solution point, and put it into both the first equation and the second equation to make sure that it works.